Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage Q, Kate. As Kate walked out the front door, she heard a familiar sound. The trees above her moved, and a black shape darted down a branch along the tree trunk and hit the ground. Tibby stood up, looking a little surprised at himself, and let out a long meow. Kate walked over and scratched behind his ears. The birds above them chirped excitedly. Kate glanced at her watch and sighed, knowing she only had a few minutes to get to the station. Tibby stared up at the trees longingly. Questions. What was the black shape? Where was Kate going? Explain what is meant by hit as it is used in the text. Explain what is meant by the word longingly as it is used in the text. Did Kate know Tibby? How do you know that? Why was Tibby surprised? Now let's check the answers. What was the black shape? The black shape was a cat. We know that because the black shape moves down the branch and hits the ground, that it's Tibby that stands up and Tibby is the cat. And we know it's a cat because Tibby lets out a long meow. We also know that Kate scratched Tibby behind his ears. Where was Kate going? Kate was going to the station. We know that because it says she only had a few minutes to get to the station. Explain what is meant by hit as it is used in the text. We see hit here in sentence 2, hit the ground, and hit means to land on, touch, or fall to the ground. Explain what is meant by the word longingly as it is used in the text. Longingly means with desire. So the cat looks at the bird with desire. Did Kate know Tibby? How do you know that? Yes, Kate did know Tibby, because the sound that he made was familiar, meaning that she had heard Tibby's meow before, and so she knows Tibby. Why was Tibby surprised? Well, he was surprised because he did not usually fall from the tree. Thank you for your time. How did you go?